Where are you going? Careful, okay? Oops. Oop! Oh, where are you going? You have no tongs on. Nico. Nico, come. Woo. Shh, Nico. Where are you going? Magtatrabaho ka na rin. Magtatrabaho ka na rin? Ha? Where are you going? I'm going to work, Daddy. So that I have money to buy my own milk. Daddy, you know that? No, it's a joke. It's a big joke. Dali lang. Hawakan mo muna yung dos. Ay! Ingat ka, Michael, ha? Nico, where are you going? You're going to Australia to pick up Daddy? Huh? Oh.